welcome back to another video. Well, and today's video, we're gonna tell you how to do a secret way to, like, if your paper airplane's not working, this is a secret way, like, to fix it. So you hold it from the bottom like this, and then smoothly throw it like this, and hold it from the middle. So it goes like this.
Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate. Go down.
So this is what it should look like. Ready, set, go. It should be something like that.
Lucas, I'm gonna do it this way. So
And look,
hit the door.
compared to this, throw it upper hand.
Okay. Upper hand.
And this is what happens when you throw it
I'm gonna throw
the
it over.
normal way.
Go over there. I'm gonna throw it over there.
Wait,
Yeah.
set, go. It's that bad. It spirals, and look, we threw it from the second floor. It's here. So that's the secret way how you
Let's do it again.
how
I'm
you
gonna
do
throw
it.
this way so it doesn't hit the door. See if I
And-
can get a cooler one.
And I'm gonna set you guys down so you have a better view.
Let's go, Lucas.
This is what happens when I do it like this.
Boom.
You saw that? You saw that?
Beautiful.
And then when you do it like this, like that,
Better.
it's better. Look,
Lucas, you do one.
like this.
I know.
Now guys, look at,
This time I'm not gonna go straight. Because when I go straight, hit the door. Go in for the office.
wait, he's in,
Here, guys.
wait,
3, 2,
wait,
1.
wait. There, go.
Let's go. Okay,
See?
it did a little twist.
A
Think we
twist?
should try that again.
Okay.
You wanna try
So
this
now-
time? You wanna try
Yeah.
this time?
So I'm gonna try and throw it and make you see.
See what you got. No. Oh, whoa. Hit my stomach.
I didn't really throw it
Yeah.
that well.
Let's try to go for
Here.
try for the office.
Okay.
So you don't.
And this is what happens when I do it into the office.
I'm just thinking it'll actually go in the office. So you should put it. Okay. No, I think you should put it from. This is.
What?
Stop! You're an idiot. Get out of the way. This is what it happens when it goes in the office.
I don't know, but sometimes it won't work, sometimes it will. So, look, like that. Most of the time, it'll do that, and then compared to this, that just goes like bad. It's better, like when you're throwing it like short range, but when you're throwing it like from up there, trying to make it like a cool video, not gonna work. It's gonna be the underhand way, like this.
Hit it, Lucas. After this, he's gonna try and then I'm gonna try, and then we're gonna cut the video.
And it could also do some cool tricks like that. And that's how you do it. That's how if you're
Get him!
if
You're so close.
if you're having a tough time trying to like make your paper airplane go well, that's the way how to do it. So that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it, and peace out.